buy some bits and bobs that Massi needs, because Massi's leaving. He's going to Rome to visit his kids for the week. Well, it's not exactly the center of Rome, is it, Massi?
No, it's the seaside of Rome more than anything. So it's the southern part on the seaside. It's a place called Lavigno Mare.
And so I'm sure he'll show you a few little snippets of his holiday there. Holiday, break, visit. Okay. Little baby bananas growing. I've got 2 bunches of these. The other one. So we made a quick lunch, just a nice salad with some boiled eggs, some beans. What else did we put in here, Mas? Greek yogurt.
Some fennel.
Fennel, yeah.
Cucumbers.
Cucumber. Nini would love that, wouldn't she?
And a bit of love.
And a bit of love. Yeah. Nice. Cheesecake. What is it? Strawberry clump mass? Forest fruits made by Julia. Some more what? Oh, some more salad. You being good and I'm being naughty. Cheesecake. Not bad for you. Bad for you. Really nice. I know you want some, but you can't. It's naughty for you. Not good for you. Do you want some more? I don't know about that. So I added a splash of white wine. You can even add red wine because of the red cabbage. Some black pepper. And then I just... Oh, there's some of my herbs that I'd made previously. I forgot about that, yeah. That did give it a nice taste. Stirred it a bit. And then I just turned it off and went to work. As soon as I got back from work, I carried on cooking the risotto. We had dinner together, and then I dropped him off at the bus station, and he caught the bus to the airport to go see his kids in Rome.
I've just arrived at the airport and pulling my bag along, going through to security, and I'll get to check-in soon. Right, into the gates. Catch you up later. Bye.
first day without Massi. Yeah, different. It's not loneliness, it's solitude, and I think solitude is a positive thing, and I think we should all have a little bit of that every now and then. Massi has just arrived. No, actually, he arrived last night at about midnight, and he got to his destination pretty late, so I haven't spoken to him. But I will give him a ring in a bit. So I'm just letting him sleep a little bit. Today I've got a few things on my plate. I have to carry on grouting, which is super boring, but it has to be done. And then later on I need to go to work. I might catch up with a friend after work. I'll see how I feel.
Okay, so
Hi guys.
say hi, Alessandro. Okay, we are all together now. Damiano is at home because he's working today, so we'll see him later. We're gonna go have some food. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the weather today is a bit not so good. It's a bit cold up here because we are in a month. That's Lago di Nemi. Very beautiful. We're gonna find a little place to sit down and have a quick meal. So Nemi's made up of these little restaurants and citteries. It's almost something like Taormina. So while we are walking, we come across these little shops. There's a lot of them, and they're like little fruit shops, but they sell all these little goodies. It's all local herbs and mushrooms, and yeah, I think I've got to take some stuff home. There's a whole lot of herbs, these little sauces. It's all local products produced here. So there's this little shop. Wild strawberries that grow everywhere. And this little shop is very small, but it's got everything in it. And I will probably take another video of it all later, but I want to eat right now. Right, so I've walked into this little shop with my kids. It's a salami shop, as you can see. It's got, I think, every type of salami you would ever find in this area. It's very famous for this. This is the lady, the owner. Lei si chiama?
Benedetta Castelli.
Ok, Benedetta Castelli. Questa è una cosa tradizionale della vostra famiglia?
Sì, hanno un'orcineria a conduzione familiare di cui io e mio fratello siamo la quinta generazione.
Ok, questa basically she's telling me that it's gone through generations of family and she's now the owner. Voi da quanti anni che state qua?
Dal 1970.
From 1970 that they've had this shop going, and as you can see they know what they're doing because they've got every type of salami you could ever think of. That's it. I'm going to see what the paninos like after when we're eating it.
Mandarino, vino forte ciliegie.
Adanci un mandarino, perfetto, la prima era giusto. Okay, so basically there's different cheeses. They get the cheeses from all locals around here that get some cheese and they transform them. I will write the descriptions in English after. But yeah, this is just the cheese corner, as you would call it. And then obviously the rest is just all salami. And this is what you call a classical mochineria, which basically means a salami shop. We are having a meal. Full a lot to take in. So Alessandro, what did you eat? Salami? Made a salami sandwich. What did you make?
Mine is with mortadella and a cheese. Don't remember what cheese.
Mine is with porchetta. Nemi is a very pretty little town. It's not big at all. It's really small. All the buildings are small, one on top of each other. So basically your neighbor is going to be very close. Very pretty little place. So there's these little streets. They're all made up very pretty. Like, this is the Italian way. This is how the Italians live. You got these little stairs, houses are all close knit together, as I said before. Small houses are all one on top of the other. With the sun to be careful. So you walk down there. See what that's all about. It's a tight streets. And around the lake is a whole lot of cultivated land. What's the name? Nemi Lake. This is the Lake of Nemi. Everywhere you go around here, this lake covers everything. So we're on the higher part of Nemi. So Nemi kind of starts from there, it goes round, and it ends on the other side, which you can't see from here.
So I've just popped into my friend's Juicy's Salumeria, and I'm just waiting for her to finish up so we can then go and get a bite to eat, a hamburger and maybe a beer. Just around the corner there's a nice little pub called Rebecca, and we often go there a little bit more often in the summer. Some nice Easter eggs ready already. Can't believe it's going to be Easter soon. Nice selection of wines. I think I showed you the selection in the last episode. Here's my mate Juicy. Hello! We're going out tonight, so I'm waiting for her to sort out the salumeria. And there's Massimo. Cheers! Should we go for walkies? Walkies. Bear? Are you going to come with us, Bear? Leave the cat alone. Let's go. So I've just opened up the side gate to our property. The dogs have shut out. We are allowed to have access through this property, which is my neighbours. They're all very friendly. We're going, Nini. Beautiful little path. As I said, it's not easy, but it's not difficult either. Look at the view. Wow. Let's go, doggies. Bear knows the way. As I said, this isn't our property, but it is a little pathway that we can use. Our neighbours are pretty friendly. They come and they pick wild asparagus on the top of our land, so they allow us to walk this little path all the way down to the edge of the cliff. Nini, we're here. Where are you? Yeah, come on, come on. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Jump. Come on, Nini, don't be lazy. Come on, Nini. Oh, gosh. You are ridiculous. Come on, I can't move it for you. You got to jump. Come on, Nini. Let's go. Good girl. To be honest, I'm just following Bear, because Bear knows exactly where she's going. She's so good. So beautiful here. I love it. Look at it. Okay, so we've got to the edge of a mini cliff here. From there you can see the bridge where I usually cross over with my car to go to the little town of Floridia. I hear a tractor behind. Let's see where the dogs take us. Colors are beautiful even in winter. Look at that. These rocks are pretty strange in shape. I wonder if someone a long time ago carved a path in these rocks. Look, Nini, you can tell she's now scared to cross over. I'm gonna have to get Nini because she won't be able to. Are you gonna make it? Do I have to pick you up? All right, hang on a second. Nini, you can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you made it. Look at these trees. Look at this beautiful old stone house, shepherd's house, with the tiles. Obviously dilapidated, just such a shame. Beautiful. And back. That was lovely, wasn't it? Girls.
Have lunch today with the Zia, and Diana has made malfufi.
En la playa la noche, ola de espuma que viene y que va. De su piel bronceada, bajo la almohada, la felicidad. Apagar estas luces y hacer las paces, la felicidad, felicidad. Felicidad, es un trago de vino por el camino, la felicidad. Es vivir el cariño como los niños, la felicidad. Es sentarme en un coche y volar con la noche, la felicidad, felicidad.
The next day I picked up my friend Angela and we went for a really nice stroll down to Ognina Beach, Ognina area. It has a little harbour, a little marina, and we just did a nice walk all the way from the little marina to Aranella Beach and back again. Angela, what do you tell me about these negative ions?
Yes, it's good for your brain. It's good for your skin.
Yeah, it is. It's like having a mini facelift, isn't it? And a free one too. Wow, that is gorgeous.
There's a beach walk like this.
Wow,
All the way to Milocca.
really? Who says you can't surf in Sicily, hey? Check these guys out.
Okay, so we've each got a supli. Martina got crocchetta. Damiano supli like me. The supli is the Roman arancina. So it's round, it's oval. It's got mozzarella in the middle and it's made from tomato sauce and rice. Very, very nice.
Little bit of
Come
ragù.
buono, Martina.
Mine is just with potato and mozzarella inside.
Okay. Damiano, is it nice? Taste nice?
Yeah. You forgot to mention that supli has mozzarella in it.
I did mention it, but yeah, thank you for telling me again. Not a problem. No problem. Nice, yeah? Let's see you take a bite. Take a nice big bite. Yeah, buddy. Okay. So this is the old port of Anzio. All these boats here are fishermen boats. So in the morning you come here and you wait for the boats to come in. And when they come in early in the morning, they put all their boxes on the sides and you can buy whatever's in the box. It's all freshly fished. And that's the port. It's quite a big port. It goes on for quite a bit. After, when we go to Nettuno, we'll show you the port of Nettuno. A lot more modern now. Okay, so here we've got to Nettuno, and this is the newer port. This port here is quite modern. It's not as antique as Anzio. It's a lot bigger. It's a bigger municipal area. Around there is all the antique caves that go underneath. There's a big large beach around there, and that is all part of the antique side, that we'd call it. Okay, so as you can see, the walls here are all, it's the way Nettuno is made. It's got all these walls around. It's like this is a castle area. It's all made up like this, all these little apartments. They are summer houses. People come for summer. And as I was saying, this is the port, which is a lot larger than where we were before. There's different parts of it. This is where the fisherman's port is. And you get your expensive yachts on the other side. And down in that direction there is where Anzio is, where we just come from. So this is what we call the Borgo di Nettuno, which is the antique area. It's a castle area. So this is where the hierarchy of Nettuno stayed. Nettuno's got a lot of history. So this is one of the entrances. You walk in and you're walking into another world. Basically this is Il Borgo dal Barone, so these are restaurants and what have you. And this is just your Borgo. I'll take a few videos of here inside. All the little streets are like this, very, very cute. There's the antique part of Nettuno. So here we come out into another piazza, And as you can see, the buildings are all pretty much the same. Antique buildings, and here this all comes to life in the summer. A lot of little pubs and bars around. There are little restaurants operative now. But yeah, that's all part of Nettuno. Down there you'll go down to the beach. There's some other places where you can go and have a drink or so. We'll probably go down here and have a look down here what we'll find.
This evening I'm here for my last meal supper in Rome. We're having a little bit of aperitivo with this beautiful person.
Hello.
That's my beautiful sister. And we're having a little bit of a din together. What we call aperitivo.
And a glass of wine.
And a good old glass of wine. Oh yeah. And a good thing between brother and sister.
Hello, welcome back.
Hello dogs and cats and everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. I am so grateful for all the new subscribers that we got this week. I'm going to leave you with this beautiful video of the sea. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.